Hey guys, it's me, the Random God Gamer, and I'm back. So I haven't uploaded for quite a few hours now. It's just because I've been having to do stuff. So I'm going to do a Subway Surfers Part 2. And I've been playing a bit off camera. And I got a character which you have to get like things for out of boxes. And yeah, I have like 10,000 coins left and I had 45,000 coins. And somehow, out of that much, I did not win the jackpot. 45,000 coins and 500 coins for each box. And pretty much all the boxes I got like 5,000 coins out of them. So I got, I know man, I just don't know. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 of Subway Surfers. The character we unlocked off camera is called Fresh. This guy right here. And he's actually really good, and my connection earlier was a bit faster, so hopefully it's a bit faster right now. And I've got so many hoverboards, so I can use loads of them. And I just want 10,000 more coins, because off 10,000 more coins I can buy a shark hoverboard, I think it is. So yeah, that'll be sick. God damn it. Here we go, we got a mystery. What do we get? Hot rod ride, yes! Oh wow, we died straight away. No, don't tap, quick, yes! Oh my god, we got 66 hoverboards left. We could be lasting quite a while. And my top score, like I said last video, is like 300 and something thousand. And earlier I got 200 and something thousand while playing and nearly beat it. And my top run score now is like a load higher. But that I weren't playing on top run then, so my score isn't over 200,000. We're just going to use one key to save us, because like, why not? No! Oh my god, we're just going to use 2 keys. I don't know why, but we're not using our hoverboards. Woo! Come on, get that, get that. No! No, we missed it. Come on. Oh, that's why you put that mystery thing there, because it knows it was going to give us a double jump, so we could easily double jump over. So that's actually very good. What does this one give us? Oh, double jump again. No, we're not saving us, because we can't even save us anyway. Oh my god. That was terrible. But there's my top score, and then top run is 106,841. So as you can see, I am nearly on silver. Well, yeah, kind of close. Yeah, technically, kind of close. Whatever. And I'm 5th on my friends list, because I'm logged in with Facebook, and I technically would be 1st, but all of the people on my friends list that are in front of me actually done a cheat, which they told me about, but I didn't use it, because it legit gives you unlimited booster storage and unlimited boosters or something, and yeah, and you can use as many as you want to, and say if you have unlimited, you can, I think it was press it, hold it, and you'll use all of them at the same time or something. I thought the bloody train was coming from the other side. I'm like, what? It's coming from both sides. I'm like, yo. No, why did I do that? No way! So, yeah, wait a minute. I mean, 4th, 3rd and 2nd did not cheat to get their score. The person in 1st place, I'm telling you now, actually did cheat, because they told me to cheat. Like I just told you, but it's banned now. Not even on YouTube anymore, but that he still kept his score. So yeah, you can see it's like 400 million, I think that is. Yeah, score multiplayer. So at the moment, I've got the 2nd hoverboard, and then you get a free upgrade with it, but I don't really like that. I'd rather the 1st one than the 2nd one. So at the moment, as you can tell, I'm still using the 1st hoverboard, unless you didn't even know what it looked like. We're not going to save ourselves, because I want to check something. There's some money, and just some people spent. No, I don't even have that much money in my credit card anyway. I spent the rest of the money on my credit card this morning or something. I don't know when I spent the last of my money on my credit card, but I did spend it today or something. No, I don't want that. Those things are dangerous. Even though you can jump over trains with them, they kill you much quicker. See how it takes you longer to land, even though you get the coins by jumping over them like this. You go even further, and then you land like right in front of a train, and then just die. So I don't use those. Oh yeah, and in a minute I will show you the other skins for this character I am right now, which is fresh, and he's got some actual good skins. He's got a basketball. Instead of holding a stereo, he holds a basketball, and he's got another one where he holds a radio stereo, but he's wearing some different clothes which look a bit cooler, I think. It's like some sport clothes or something. I don't know. I'll show you when we die. No, how did we miss that? Oh my god, I went silent to try and get it as well. What? God damn it! Oh my god, lucky we were using a hoverboard. No! No! That's how many coins we got quickly. We got 212. Alright, so here we go. Me. So look here, funk outfit. Well, it's dancing outfit. Yeah, whatever. And then here, sport outfit. I could have bought that earlier, but like I was like, whoa, if I would buy one of the costumes for it, I would really buy the basketball one, really. So I was like, no, might as well just use them. And because I got a credit card, eventually I might buy. Let me show you. Shop, store. See the bunch of keys for £3. I might buy 2 of those, which will give me 50. And which is actually really good, because £3 for 50, which is technically just lower than half of the heap of keys, which is 14 quid. So like, yeah, you can get loads more, and then I'll be able to buy the basketball outfit. Wait, keys. Or I'm gonna pause the video and watch a video. Hey guys, I'm back, and this video is an extra, like a bit of a longer video than a normal screen recorded video would be, just because I haven't uploaded in quite a few hours. So this is technically like 2 or 3 of screen recorded videos put together just in one video. So I'm gonna do one more run, and then we're gonna end this. Here we go. So I just watched the video. That's why I paused the video. Just watched the video to get 2 extra keys, and now I have 3. Move quick. I just got a bit of a bad throat, so. Oh no! Oh my god, sorry. That's going to be the end of the video for now. So please like and subscribe. And peace.